Good morning, standard 8 students. Today I am going to solve some question. More question here. Eight. So first question today. 2a plus b whole square plus 5 2a plus b plus 6. No different rule is there. Same rule we have to apply. But if you are very good in math, directly you can solve. If you have some little bit problem, then you can suppose it. What we will suppose? See here, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, both sides. So let 2a plus b is x. Right. Then the question becomes x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now split the middle terms. So 6 x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Take common x plus 3. 2 common x plus 3. On the whole, common is x plus 3 and x plus 2. After finally splitting the middle term, at last you have to put the value of x. What we have supposed? We have supposed 2a plus x. So x is equal to 2a plus b plus 3 and x is equal to 2a plus b plus 2. And this is our answer. Right? Next question 22. 1 minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 2x plus 3y whole square. Here will be suppose 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. So let 2x plus 3y is equal to a. Then our question becomes a 1 minus a minus 6a. Right? Now split the middle term. So 3 to the 6. So 1 minus 3a plus 2a minus 6a. Common, nothing is common means 1 is common. So 1 minus 3a. Here 2 is 2, a is common. So 1 minus 3a. On the whole common 1 minus 3a, 1 plus 2. Now we have to put the value of a, what we have supposed. So put the value of a, give the curly bracket, 1 minus 3a is 2x plus 3y. 1 plus 2, a is 2x plus 3y. So this becomes 1 minus 6x minus 9y and 1 plus 4x plus 6y. This is our answer. Right? See question number 25. 2x plus 2y whole square minus 5x plus 2y plus 2. Let it be a. Then this is let x plus 2y is equal to a. Then this becomes 2a square minus 5a plus 2. Okay. Split the middle term. So 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2. 2a common, a minus 2 minus 1 common, a minus 2. On the whole, a minus 2 and 2a minus 1. Then finally we have to put the value of a, what we have supposed. So this becomes a is x plus 2y. X plus 2y minus 2. This one. And here 2a is x plus 2y minus 1. So this becomes x plus 2y minus 2, open the bracket, small bracket, 2x plus 4y minus 1. This is our answer. Right. Another type questions given. You know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, you know, a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are the two formula. Now the next type question will be given in this form. You have to write this form. Right? If the question is given in this form, we have to write the answer in this form. Reverse one. So one question, 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. This is given in this form. We have to write the answer in this form, squared form. So I will write. So for this giving idea, see the first and last. This is a square of 2x and this is a square of 3y. Right? In the middle, that is 2ab. So write here 2. In place of a, there is 2x. In place of b, there is 3y. Is it coming 12xy? So 2 to the 4th, it is coming 12xy. It means this question is, in place of a there is 2x, in place of b there is 3y whole square. Do you follow this one? Right. So this type of questions and rest of the exercise E and F, no different rule. It is a mixed question of all the previous exercise. I will discuss some more question in next video. Right. There is also one more question here. This one, x squared minus 4x plus 60. We have this is given in this form. We have to write in this form. In place of a, we can write x squared and last term, that is 4x squared. Right, for 4 is 60. Is it equal to x minus 4 whole square? We have to check. How we check? Formula is minus 2. A is x, b is 4. So 4 to the 8, it is coming 8x. But in question it is given 4x. So this is not equal to x minus 4 square. Right? Okay, thank you very much. Do the homework. You have to complete this exercise D and some more question from E. Whatever. Thank you very much.